Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good.
Welcome to Find Your Mate.
Thank you.
Please tell us something about your work experience.
I was, let's say, before in Cyprus as an entertainer. That's what, let's say, I worked in Manila as a cook, and also I was, let's say, taking care of kids. But I was also here in 2006, working together. He's testing caregiver, taking care of him because let's say he is, let's say, dialyzing, and that's here part-time nanny in a Filipina family, and also one week I work in uh, that's all.
Okay, and right now, may I know the status of your visa?
1 month visa only.
As a tourist
Visit
visa.
visa.
Okay.
Visa.
And will you accept a salary ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 dirhams?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Are you married or single?
Single.
Do you have any kids?
Yeah, I have, let's say I have 5 kids.
I will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay? If the baby is non-stop
Okay.
crying, what will you do?
Well, I have, let's say, I have to play, play with the baby, or to give, let's say, some toys just to stop him or to stop.
Okay, and how about cooking? Do you have any specialty in cooking?
It's only Filipino dishes.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, of course.
How about in cleaning the house? Which area do you usually start working in?
Normally, I start in a sala, going down to the kitchen, and after that, bedrooms.
The rooms. And why do you think you should be hired?
Because I know, let's say, I know how to work, and also I'm qualified.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.